Now, what is a control center on the Android? Let's quickly explain that. So, it depends on your Android device specifically, but on most of them, if you are on the home screen and swipe down, you get access to the notifications panel, and at the top, you have a few controls, right? So, you can turn on the Wi Fi, Bluetooth, rotation, like the flashlight, or some other things you might have. However, if you swipe down once again, you can see that all of the controls are now available. And this would be the definition of a control center. This area right here where you can see all of the things which can be quickly turned on without needing to go to the settings, right? So right now, if I want to turn on the airplane mode, I don't have to open up the settings and go there, but it's quickly accessible from here. So this is really cool about it. But even better would be to customize it and ensure that you have it exactly as you need. Because it might happen that some toggles are never used by you, while you might be, wanting some different toggles which you don't have here. So in order to do that, click on the three dots in the top right corner and make sure to go to the edit page view. So you can see we have the edit buttons. And now you can reorganize the existing ones, drag the ones from the bottom part, from the active section to the top, right? To just make them disappear, or from the available buttons at the top, drag some of them over to the lower section, which means that they will stay and show up every time you go to the control center. So that's how you can customize it. So I'm going to wrap up the video right now. I also need to tell you that I have some other videos showing you how you can completely replace the control center by something else. So you might be interested in that. And yeah, most definitely subscribe below so you don't miss videos about these things. So that's going to be about it. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll talk to you later in the next one.